Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the machine and getting the installer. Make sure Windows is up to date and you have at least 10 GB free. Run the Visual Studio installer as administrator to avoid permission issues. Next, choose the NET desktop development workload and explicitly check Visual Basic options. Include NET SDKs and Windows SDK if you plan to build desktop or UWP apps. Once done, click Install and let the installer download components in the background. Once Visual Studio is installed, launch it and sign into sync settings and access templates. From the Start window, choose Create a new project, filter by Visual Basic, and pick the template you need like Windows Forms, WPF, or Console. Make sure to set the target NET framework that matches your libraries. Choose a clear project name and folder location. Then configure solution options and click Create. Visual Studio will scaffold the solution and restore any NuGet packages automatically. To finish, build and run your project with F5 to confirm everything works. If you see missing references or incompatible frameworks, use NuGet Package Manager or add the correct project references and retarget the framework. Make sure Tools' right arrow option settings match your preferred build and debug behavior. Update SDK paths if needed. If Visual Studio components fail to load or features are missing, close Visual Studio and run the Visual Studio installer repair. One tip: check the output and error list windows for precise failure messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.